My name is Yali and I work at Neste Marketing and Services. I'm the service owner of Neste App.
I'm Anna, a service designer from Exove, and with this Neste gamification project I was leading and facilitating the project.
The goal of this project was to use the gamification method to motivate and engage the Neste App users. The business benefit that we're expecting from this project is to improve the funnel from the user's first registration to the first refueling, and also increase the amount of new app users. We want to increase the amount of active users, and also want to bring some mechanism for the app recommendation. We wanted to start this project to utilize some new methods and get new ideas of how to use the gamification.
So with gamification we can have multiple advantages for our customers. Digital services, for example, we will develop the customer experience to better motivate the customer and create the flow in the app. Whether we want to affect the user's emotional side and the creativity, we have different mechanics there and different motivators. And the other side is then affecting the logic and the ownership and the reason. So we have options that we could use within the gamification framework to develop the user experience further.
We started with our internal workshops, which was facilitated by Exove, and we got a lot of internal ideas of the customer journey pain points, and also then we started to ideate what the prototype could be, and we did also the internal survey about the gamification, the current status, and what would be the ideal state in gamification. Then we had the prototype and we went to the field with Exove and interviewed our users of what are their ideas, and we improved that. After the field interviews, and we modified our prototype, and then we did an online survey for our users. So the next step for us is in this autumn we'll have this user experience improvement in our Neste App, and we'll definitely take some parts of this project, and then later on we will implement some of the features and ideas that we got of this project. We enjoyed really much working with Exove, and Exove was always challenging our way of thinking and our way of working, and also it was like we did the project really quickly in the 4 or 5 weeks, and also Exove was really flexible with the timetable.
It was working with you and seeing how you adopted the methods with the user interviews and with the prototype. It was really, let's say, empowering for us too.
Yeah, you were really good at coaching us with all the interviews. I think at first, because there was from marketing and from the customer research, and we were all like, oh, do we know enough to ask the questions, or will they have time at the gasoline station to answer the question for us? But it all went really well, and we learned that the user really also wanted to help us to improve our product.